Tell me something about your importance of using mobile phone.
Actually, the whole day I'm using the YouTube. Whenever I feel bored, I'm going to I will go to whenever I feel bored, I take the mobile phone and watching movie, searching the Google. Then I get the all kind of movie, Bollywood, Hollywood. Then I'm watching the movie. Then I get much pleasure.
Thank you.
Then I feel good.
How many mobile phones do you have?
Actually, I have only one phone.
One phone. So what's the name of the phone?
Redmi Note 7 Pro.
What's the color of it?
Its color royal blue. I bought this mobile phone from Sylhet.
Do you like to change your phone?
No, it's a new phone.
But why?
Because whenever it's quality old, and then I will get the new one.
Yeah. Okay. Then what's your future plan?
Actually, I want to go to abroad because our country lost majority people are poor quality, so there is no luxury life. That's why I want to go to abroad for luxury life.
Okay. Why do you live?
Actually, I want to go there for earn money.
Earn money. Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live in?
Where?
Yeah.
Country by country.
No. Where do you live in?
I'm living Sherpur residential area.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me something about your hometown.
Okay. Thank you. My hometown is Sylhet division in Moulivibazar in Bangladesh. So the most beautiful place in living here. The majority people are living UK, London, America, another country. The majority people are rich men. The majority people are businessmen. They are doing business in our local area. They are doing business in abroad. The majority people are teacher and student. Some people are farmer. The Sherpur is the most beautiful place. So many shopping mall are. So many shopping mall.
What are special things are in your hometown?
The most beautiful thing is our college. It's the name of the JAZAKALLAHU High School and College. So many students come from another side to studying this college. And then nearby KHAIRAN and Madrasha, some primary school and some madrasha, also some. So many things is here.
Okay, how do you travel to your hometown?
Actually, the communication system of this my local area is really superb. So if I want to go to any place, then I can get the bus. This my place, then I can go very easily. I can go to Dhaka, I can go to Sylhet very easily. And the education system is really nice and communication system really superb. All other thing is really good.
Okay, how do you spend time in your hometown?
Actually, my whole day is spent in my home. Sometimes whenever I go to outside and spending with my some friends, play carom, play badminton, and having tea, etc.
Okay, how many shopping malls are there in your hometown?
The most beautiful shopping mall is the Royal Market. There are two big clothes shop. The name of the Rajubishal and the Fashion Bazaar. All kind of clothes you can get there. So many people come to here to buy something. This clothes shop and shopping mall. And then another side is shopping mall name is the Suba Food. So many fast food shops and hotel. Lot of things here.
Okay, what's the historical place in your hometown?
Sorry?
Historical place in your hometown.
The most beautiful historical place in our local area. It's garden and park. The Victoria Park in my local area. And then so many parks is here. So many people come here to get the entertainment, get the much pleasure to come to visit this place every single day. They come here to entertainment.
Thank you. What's your future plan?
Actually, I want to my future plan. I want to go to abroad.
You want certificate?
Yes.
But why?
Actually, they tell me about B1. If you want to go to abroad, first you have to get the B1 certificate from any institute, English institute. That's why I come here to meet with you and trying to get the B1 certificate.
Thank you. You should invite all of your friends to come
Yes,
here
sure.
to get a B1 certificate.
Obviously, I have to. Obviously, I would like to invite all of my friends and relatives and neighbors. They are living for around local area. I will call there to come here to get the B1 certificate for want to go to the abroad.
Your friend is Taiwan. Please tell some things about your friend.
Actually, he want to learn speak English properly like me. Whenever he want to go there any beautiful place, there majority people are skilled in English, but he can't speak in English. That's why he feeling shy. That's why I tell him come here to learn something about this place. This institute are really superb.